again, we're using this method to further train our move, which is rhythm, timing. Has nothing to do with the punch. Okay?
Yep.
Now when he punches, okay, punch. No problem. But your problem, you don't do that. Don't leave. Put it on for beginners. The reason is because.
Careful that you get into that.
I'll show you.
Careful. Oh, he
It
get
wasn't
any of
on.
that.
Oh,
It's on now.
Now it is.
Yeah.
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 Okay. Then maybe you do it.
Wait a second.
Yeah, it's there.
No,
It's going off.
No battery.
no, it's on.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
Well, it's plugged in, yeah.
When you do this, it's off, right? The sound is good too. Okay, so a little bit punch. Yeah, I hope. Well, the sound is how much power.
Chabot, do it again. You missed it.
Yeah. So, come over here. You just watch. Walk with us and watch what happens. So remember the last 2 days, most of the training are geared towards making your dantian very strong. If you're not strong yet, learn the technique. Don't use it because you're too loose. This becomes really tight. You felt that, right? Normally, you have to put your hand here to feel, but your hand is not conditioned either. So instantly, now, no, do this feel. We don't need that. When I'm being punched, I go. This has to become a piece of steel. Otherwise, you cannot deal with your opponent. Try to feel it. Hold it. On the impact here.
Can I feel careful?
Yeah. Two hands. Yeah.
Wow.
So if you don't have it, we only do it this way. So this is our training method. Okay? Fist on it. I use my hand to hold him. My hands will grab and pull him. My dantian pushes, lock him onto this hand. So we're just using a different version of the last exercise. And then you kind of do this. Yeah. When he does that here, this is what he does. I'll show you. I do this. But it's like this. It's not like this. Okay? So try to, this has the last one we were very successful. That's why I'm adding this one here. See whether, these are all transitional. In the end, it's a punch. I'll explain two things to you. This one we actually already did. We use here in a real fight. I give you my chest. When you punch, I go like this. You see here? I break him right here. You have to have this here.